Welcome back. Still on the engine rebuild, still in the kitchen, and today's job, I've got to get the clutch back together and get the case back on. I can't find the manual at the minute. I think I deleted it accidentally. So I'm going to guess my way through this bit while it downloads, then I'll check it while I have a cuppa. I have changed the clutch plates a couple of times on my bike. I mean, it's done 60,000 miles, but it's always nice to double check it with the manual. This bit's fairly simple. It's just a case of getting the friction plates and the steels in alternative order. You've got to make sure that your first and last friction plates are the correct ones, as they're slightly different.
I thought they lined up separately.
I did actually re-soak my clutch plates in engine oil while I've had the engine in bits. I don't think there was any water damage to them, as the clutch doesn't sit in the oil, it just gets splashed up with the oil, and it wasn't running very long when it filled with water. It cut out pretty quick.
Spastic. Oh yeah, I remember. It's the last one that is on wonky. Wonky at a different angle. Yeah, what's that? Oh, it's just like the pad material. I wonder if... Oh, that ain't gonna help. These are pretty fucked. Okay, on the list of things to... I should have checked that when I took it to bits, but... it is what it is. It'll be alright. So put this one offset. Wonder why one's offset. So this is like, I guess, the first kind of change you need to do if you're going to turbo your MT07 is change these clutch springs. So these are not the OEM clutch springs, they're like heavier duty ones. But as I understand it, if you don't change these springs, you can like really slip your clutch when you get to like the higher boost pressures. . 'Cause So I've just put a socket on the sprocket on the output shaft. I don't really want to jam anything through the clutch case or anything like that.
I fully stripped down my clutch case so I could check the bearings to see if any of them needed replacing. So I just need to rebuild this before I stick it back on.
And then grease the seal. That's seated all right. There's a proper bent O-ring, circlip even. Jeez. I'll have to order it. I'll get another one of them. That does actuate. So that dowel hole is there. Did that one dowel there, one in the case. I've got the gasket on. Align the clutch bit up. That's better.
Now I'm just going to get the engine protection on the side. Although I did actually take it to bits 3 months ago and I can't quite remember how to get it back on.
Ah, that's why. So that goes in there. So that, is it that one? That one needs Loctite. Oh, what did I just drop?
Well, while I find that, that's where I'll leave it. I don't want to put the water pump on just yet because it's easier to do it with the whole water system and the radiator and everything. So I'll do that when it's on the bike. I won't torque the case bolts in yet because the water pump system goes through half of them. So I might as well do it then. Alright, cool. Oh yeah, playlisty thing, subscribey thing, they're there. Thanks a lot. I'll catch you in a bit.